Beit Arabiya was a peace center and a great place for people to meet, both Palestinians and Israelis and internationals.
I think there is a wonderful spirit when we go to build a house.
I'm very excited to see the house go up.
The workload's very hard, yeah.
يلا هات دير عليها مي بعدين بزبطوه
I'm appreciating leaving your countries, leaving your families, leaving your work in your countries and coming here to stand behind us as Palestinians living under the occupation.
Hopefully we'll end the occupation tomorrow. But it's a struggle and it goes on, and there'll be more houses demolished and we'll have to keep fighting. But the Palestinians should realize, first of all, that they have the support of most peoples of the world.